Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best chili mix packets is probably one of the most versatile and satisfying dishes you can make. From a quick weeknight meal to a crowd-pleasing dish for game day, chili offers endless possibilities. But with so many options on the market, how do you choose the best chili mix packets? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of chili, exploring different brands, flavors, and what makes a truly great chili experience. Number 5. Carroll SHELBY'S Chili Kit, Pack of 8. This chili kit lets you control the heat. It comes with individual seasoning packets, allowing you to make it mild or spicy. It's gluten-free and makes 6 servings. Created by Carroll SHELBY, this kit helps you make authentic, Texas-style chili. It's designed to bring the bold flavors of Texas to your kitchen. This mix isn't just for chili. You can use it for burger toppings, tacos, salads, and more. It's perfect for everyday meals, parties, and barbecues. Each kit offers a sophisticated flavor profile. You can customize it to your taste. Try it for different recipes like tomatillo, poblano salsa, and quick chili mole. In 1967, Carroll SHELBY started the first chili cook-off in Terlingua, Texas. This kit carries on that tradition, bringing the spirit of that event to your table. What we like. This chili kit offers an authentic Texas-style chili experience, crafted with bold creativity. It allows you to customize the spice level with individual seasoning packets. If you are looking for a gluten-free option that delivers a rich, flavorful chili, this is the one for you. What people say. The chili mix packets are easy to use. The chili mix packets have a great flavor. The chili mix packets are versatile and can be used in various recipes. Number 4. 6-pack Cincinnati Chili Mix Packets. This chili is a delicious take on the Cincinnati style. It's packed with flavor and perfect for any occasion. You'll love every bite of it. Making this chili is incredibly easy. The mix packets make the process simple and straightforward. It's a convenient way to enjoy a tasty meal. This chili is fun to eat and great for sharing with friends and family. It's a crowd pleaser that everyone will enjoy. Get ready for a fun and flavorful experience. It's so easy to prepare, you'll be enjoying a delicious meal in no time. The instructions are simple to follow, making it a hassle-free cooking experience. You can have a tasty meal ready quickly. It is a great choice for a quick and tasty meal. This product is perfect for those who love Cincinnati-style chili. It's a convenient and delicious option. What we like. This mix brings the unique flavors of Cincinnati-style chili to your kitchen with ease. It's incredibly easy to prepare, making it perfect for a quick and fun meal. If you enjoy a different take on chili and want a simple, enjoyable cooking experience, you should consider this. What people say. These packets are the bomb. They are easy to prepare. Instructions are clear and the final product is just what my family wanted. This was an easy way to make a large quantity of Cincinnati chili. I had a big party, and I doubled the batch. I did not need to add anything except the ground beef and water. Number 3. McCormick Original Chili Seasoning Mix, 10 packets. This is the McCormick Original Chili Seasoning Mix. It comes in a convenient 10-packet pack. It's perfect for adding a burst of flavor to your meals. Made with natural spices, this mix enhances the taste of your dishes. It's a simple way to add depth and complexity to your cooking. You can enjoy this seasoning mix without any worries. It contains no MSG or artificial flavors, ensuring a natural taste. This unique blend of 18 spices and herbs is incredibly versatile. Use it to enhance the flavor of seafood, chicken, or even snacks. Whether you're making chili, seasoning chicken, or flavoring popcorn, this mix is a great choice. It's designed to elevate a wide variety of dishes. For over 75 years, this seasoning mix has delivered the same great taste. It's a classic choice that continues to satisfy. What we like. Featuring a unique blend of 18 spices and herbs, this seasoning mix enhances a variety of dishes. It contains no MSG and no artificial flavors, ensuring a natural taste. If you like to experiment with flavors and want a versatile seasoning for various meals and snacks, you should choose this. What people say. Handy to keep in the house. Very tasty. I like the flavor plus the convenience of having everything measured out for me. Easy dinner and fast. Number 2. McCormick Mild Chili Seasoning Mix, 1.25 ounces, 4-pack. Looking for a quick and easy way to make delicious chili? This seasoning mix is the perfect solution. It delivers an authentic chili flavor that everyone will love. This mix offers a mild flavor profile, making it suitable for all taste preferences. It's carefully crafted to provide a balanced and enjoyable chili experience. Preparing chili has never been easier. Simply add this mix to your ground meat and other ingredients. It's a convenient way to create a flavorful meal. This seasoning mix isn't just for chili. You can use it to season other dishes like tacos or stews. It's a versatile addition to your spice collection. The 4-pack ensures you always have this seasoning on hand. It's perfect for multiple meals or for sharing with friends and family. It's a great value for your money. What we like. This mild chili seasoning mix provides a balanced flavor profile, perfect for those who prefer a less spicy chili. The convenient packets make it easy to use for a quick weeknight meal. If you prefer a milder taste and value convenience, it's a great choice. What people say. Handy to keep in the house. Very tasty. I like the flavor plus the convenience of having everything measured out for me. Easy dinner and fast. Number 1. Gold Star Cincinnati Style Chili Seasoning, 3-pack. This seasoning brings the classic taste of Cincinnati chili to your kitchen. It's a blend of spices that delivers a rich and savory flavor, perfect for recreating your favorite chili dishes. With this seasoning, making delicious Cincinnati-style chili is simple. Just add it to your ground meat and tomato sauce, and let it simmer for a truly satisfying meal. This seasoning isn't just for chili, it can be used in many ways. Try it on hot dogs, spaghetti, or even as a topping for your favorite snacks. It's a versatile addition to any pantry. The 3-pack ensures you have plenty of seasoning on hand. It's great for family meals or for sharing with friends. This pack is a convenient way to enjoy the authentic taste of Cincinnati chili. This seasoning is made by Gold Star, a trusted name in Cincinnati chili. You can be sure that it's made with high-quality ingredients. It's a delicious and authentic way to enjoy a Cincinnati classic. What we like. This seasoning offers the original Cincinnati-style chili flavor. It's designed to deliver a rich and authentic taste. If you like the unique taste of Cincinnati chili and want a flavorful experience, you should consider this. What people say. This seasoning pack makes it easy to prepare. Just need 1 pound of ground beef and a 4 to 6 ounce can of tomato paste. Easy to prepare. Actually much better than I thought it would be. Most items like this don't really taste like the original. This is about as close as you can get to the real thing. Love these packets, make a nice thick sauce. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.